The burden of NCDs in Uganda is growing. The percentage of people that die due to non-communicable diseases is about 40%. Of this 40%, 13% is due to injuries, the accidents due to borders and various other vehicles. 9% is due to cardiovascular diseases, 5% is due to cancers, and many others that I will not mention now. In 2014, the Ministry of Health carried out a survey for NCDs in the country. And the surveys gave us results that have informed many of our decisions. And in the results, we know that 1 out of every 4 Ugandans has high blood pressure. And many people in Uganda take excessive alcohol. So the Ministry of Health developed a strategy for response to non-communicable diseases. And the strategy has 5 components. The first component is for all of us to eat healthy diets. And we shall be rolling out the diets that people ideally should eat in their quantities and how to prepare them. The second is avoid tobacco and do not chew tobacco. And we are considering having well-designated places in the cities and in the towns. We're actually reaching out to different districts to designate places for exercises. And in a phased manner, we shall start fitting equipments for exercises so that whoever is willing to access these places can access them and carry out the necessary exercises. And thereafter, he will officially launch the day and flag off the walk to signify the day. The walk will be about 8 kilometers because as adults above 17 years, ideally we should be walking between 2 to 2.5 hours. That apart from physical fitness, there are a number of services that the Ministry of Health will be offering free of charge. We shall be screening for cancers, we shall be screening for heart diseases, we shall be carrying out laboratory tests to identify those who are at risk of developing heart diseases. We shall be having screening for yellow fever and for hepatitis B. So for those who have not been able to access these services, the 8th of July is your day, and these services will extend even beyond the exercise time.
In order now to sensitize you people, I now call upon you to join me at the Kororo Independence Grounds on Sunday 8th of July 2018 as we launch the National Day of Physical Activity.